All right, guys, how you doing today? Look, it's so sunny and so beautiful today outdoors. So I decided to stay out in the sun, just to get some of the heat in my system, right? But it's really amazing how wonderful and how beautiful Canada is, right? I'm just sitting out there in my home. You can see that. Nice. All right. Well, all right. So I'm not going to waste your time. But what I want to say is simple, right? I'm very, very sure that many of you have noticed that so many people are now promoting high ticket offers, right? And you may be thinking, why is it that way? Because we have experimented a lot, right? I have been online for some years and I have experimented a lot with low ticket offers and so on. And I've seen what really makes money. And then something that doesn't take your time, right? So I'm gonna just tell you the best way to do it, right? So that you don't waste time. I'll try to make this life as short as possible. Now, when you want to make money online, you want to get the best bank for your effort. Because look, we are all making effort, right? If you are already in my team, you know what we do there. We post a lot on Facebook, then on Instagram, TikTok. What are we doing? Why are we making this post? Why are we making reels? Why are we doing all these things? It's to drive traffic. Now, what is traffic? Traffic simply means online visitors, right? So that's where you get what we call your potential customers. So you want to drive as many traffic as much as you can to your online business, right? Now, whenever these people make any purchase, then you make money, right? That's what we do, whether low ticket, whether high ticket, whatsoever you want to call it. That's all we really do. Now, so the problem with low tickets is this. Now, the amount of commissions that you make is so low. So even it doesn't correspond to your effort, right? So that's why people stop promoting low ticket offers. It doesn't correspond to your effort. So let's assume you just want to make like $1,000 in a month and you are promoting a product that pays you just $10, right? As commission. That means you need to make about 100 sales. That's a lot of sales in a month. And then you have to repeat it the next month and the next month. So that's horrible, right? So that is where low ticket messes up. That's the only problem with low ticket. I'm not talking, sometimes the product could be good for its price. If you are going to make $10 commission, that means the product is good for its price, which means it's not a very high quality product, right? Now, when it comes to high tickets, this is where you can make commissions of $500 per sale. Now, just think about this. Which will you prefer, to make $10 or to make $500, right? So that is where high ticket wins all the time. The fact that we can make up to $500 per sale or $1,000 per sale or even $2,000 per sale is amazing, right? Now, the fact we can make as much as that from one sale changes a lot. And look, now just think of now you want to make $1,000 in a month. So that means at $500 per sale, you only need 2 sales, not 100 sales, just 2 sales. You can see why a lot of people are now going back to high tickets. They're just like, hey, enough of this low ticket struggle. And look, most of the time with high ticket, if you are even going to invest anything, it's always a one-time payment, right? So it's not like you are going to keep paying and paying and paying. That is what we get with most low ticket. You just keep paying and paying and paying. But with high ticket, you only pay once, and that's all, right? So let's assume you want to make $1,000 now, right? Per sale. You only with one sale, you are already there. So you can now understand our excitement with high ticket. So, and if you check right now, we are promoting the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket system. Now, a lot of people is like, wow. Now, what is unique about the TeamBuilders system? Now, the TeamBuilders system is what you call a learn while you make money program, or what do you call it? Learn and earn, right? Learn and earn. That means as you are learning, you are earning at the same time. This is why it's very good. Now, the Team Builders program is a training program or a coaching program, whatever you want to call it, high quality. So it's what is money. So you are going to really get value for your money. Now, they are going to teach you how to actually start an online business, especially high ticket online business. You're also going to learn how to promote the online business. They are going to teach you how to promote, how to generate traffic, how to generate customers. They are going to give you materials, reels, videos, images, all those things to make the business easy for you. And also, they're also going to teach you how to grow the business, because there's one thing is starting a business, then another thing is growing it and consistently making money with it, right? So with the Team Builders program, you get all those things. That's why I love it. That's why I really love it. Now, apart from that, is a complete done for you system. So this is why it's so easy to make money with the system, right? Because it's completely done for you. So even if you are a brand new beginner, all you need to do is to share your Team Builders link, and the system does all the work for you. So this is where the team does everything for you, right? So they do all the follow-up for you. So you don't even have to write emails. I don't even write emails about the Team Builders because it's completely done for me, right? So they do all the email follow-up for you. They invite your leads to webinars and trainings and all those things, and that's where they actually make the sale for you. Then, secondly, they make all the phone calls. I don't call anybody. They do all the phone calls for me, and that's exciting. So it's a complete done-for-you high-ticket system. So all you do, once you join, you just get your link, and then you start sharing your link. It's just as simple as that, right? Now, let me tell you about the commissions. Now, when it comes to commissions, the commission is out of this world, right? Now, one, you will earn unlimited 200% commissions in front-end mega link sales. Now, what is the mega link? The mega link is their low-ticket program in the OLSP system, and they usually pay 100% commissions. But when you become a team builder, you will earn 200% commissions in front-end mega link sales. Imagine you are earning double what the product cost. That is a lot of profit. What do you think? Now, but that's not all. You will also earn unlimited 200% commissions, second tier commissions in front-end mega link sales. What does that mean? That means whenever anyone in your team sell the mega link now, whenever they start building their business and they start selling the mega link, you will earn 200% commission on their effort. So now this is what is called passive income. This is where you are not doing anything, right? Your team members are the ones working, building their business, selling the mega link. But you are earning 200% whenever they make a sale. Passive income, is that not powerful? But now let's put the passive income on steroid right now, right? Now, what does that mean? That means that whenever your team members sell anything in the OLSP system, you will make a commission. Think about that. It doesn't matter what they sell. In fact, whenever they buy something, you make commission. Whenever they sell, you make commission. That is why I keep making money. And a lot of people keep saying, how come you keep making sales regularly? Whether low ticket, whether high ticket. Because whenever my team members make a sale, I also make money. It's so passive that I can actually go away for months and I'm still making money with this system. I love it so much. Now, let's talk about the high ticket. Now, as a team builder, you will earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500, $1,000, or even $2,600 per sale. Is that not powerful? That is amazing, right? So you imagine making high ticket commissions over and over and over again. Imagine that, guys. So look, I'm not going to waste your time, Abdullah. If you want to join the team builders, I'm going to leave a link in the comment section. Go ahead, click that link, join the comments, join the team builders and start really making real money online, guys. With all the super training and all the commission levels, you can imagine that kind of thing, right? But look, if you have any question, you can privately DM me. We can talk about it. All right, so go ahead. There's going to be a link in the comment section. Click that link. Get started with Team Builders today. I will see you at